completed, what you have learned? We have learned forming of 3-digit numbers, means how to form the question, how to form 3-digit number. With the 3-digit number, how to form the set of numbers we have learned. Yes, no? We have taken 3 single digits, three set of numbers we have formed, like 3 individual numbers we have taken, and we have formed with that 3 numbers we have formed a different set of numbers. Yes, that one we have learned in our previous exercise. So in today's exercise, we have to start with the 2.9 exercise. So for doing this exercise, you require your term book, pencil and eraser. Okay, so this term book, pencil and eraser will be same. So whenever you are starting with your maths class, you have to ready with your term book, pencil and eraser. Okay children, so here in the 2.9 exercise, I will tell you the method. So in this one, what you are going to learn means, you are going to learn odd numbers and even numbers. So this one I will tell you how to do it, and in the page number 91 you have a bit of odd numbers and even numbers. There you have to identify that number and you have to color with your own color, whichever color you like you can color, but that colors also you have to choose like blue and green. Okay, so I will tell you about the bit. First we will start with our odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, so first we will start with odd numbers. So here odd numbers. What are odd numbers? See, first I will explain through the picture. You see odd numbers. See, suppose you have 5 lollipops here. Okay, so always you have to make a pair. Pair means you have to make 2. 2 you have to make as 1 pair. See, 2 lollipops one side, the other 2 lollipops one side. So how many anything left here? See, 1 is left. So 2 lollipops one side you have made, the other 2 lollipops you have made one side. Means if you have made into pair, 1 pair we have made, the second pair, 2 pairs we have made, and to make here we thought to make 1 more pair, but here you have pair means you should have 2. But see here you have only 1. So whenever you are left with 1, that becomes your odd number. Okay. So here I said you through the picture. See, first I will explain with the number. See, 1. 1 means, see, take this lollipop only. See, if you have 1 lollipop, can you make it pair? No. So it becomes a odd number. Yes. Next is number you see 2. 2 means 2 lollipops. 2 lollipops already it will make 1 pair. So that will not become your odd number. Okay. Next you have 3. Yes. So 3. So take this 1, 2, 3. See, if you take 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You will make 2 as 1 pair. Again 1 is left here. So if we have any left out things, then it becomes an odd number. Then next you see number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 will make 1 pair, 2 will make 1 pair. Any left out things are there? No. So it will not become an odd number. Yes. So next you take number 5. Yes. So number 5. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just now we have taken lollipops from here. See, 2 will become 1 pair, 2 will become 1 pair. And to make 1 more pair, here we don't have the other one. So we have only 1. So 5, the left out number here we have 1. We have left here. So 5 will become our odd number. Okay. So same like this, all whichever numbers you take, if the number is left with 1, if you have any left out number there, that will become your odd number. Like 1, 3 left. In 3 also you have leftover number. 5 also leftover number. Next to 6 is even number. So it will not come. 7. In 7 also. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2, 2, 2. Again 1 left. So 7 will become your odd number. Yes. Again 7. So one number, the next number will become odd even number, the next number. So in between two numbers, one number, if you start with odd number, between two numbers, the one middle number will become even, the next number will become odd. The next number will become even, next number will become odd. Next will become even. So identify. One more thing also I will explain. See, here 8 will become even, 9 will become odd. Again 9 after 10, 10 will become even. Okay, so 11 will become odd. So how you have to remember? See, I think every one of you know 2 table. Yes, so 2 table you know, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, yes, 2 sixes are 12. Okay, so the numbers whichever you are getting answers, like answers in your 2 table, all these numbers will become even numbers. Okay, yes, so here the left odd number we set it as odd number. So if we take the same lollipops here, there we have taken 5, so here we will take 6. Yes, so pairing we have to do, no? Pairing in the sense 2 2 we have to make. See, 6 I have taken. See, any leftover number here? Leftover lollipop here? No. So if we don't have any leftover things, it becomes an even number. If we have any leftover thing here, it becomes an odd number. Okay, so here this picture is odd, here this picture is even. So in numbers also how you have to identify in numbers, like everybody knows 2 table. Yes, so all the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, so which numbers are ending? So here you have to remember is ending, not the starting number. In ascending and descending order in the previous class, we have checked the starting number. For ascending and descending, we will check the first number. But for odd numbers and even numbers, always you have to check with the last number. Okay, if your last number is odd number, that complete set will become odd number only. If you have 10 digits in that number also, that complete set will become odd number. See, I will tell. See here I said, this is odd. How you have identified 1? 1 is an odd number, single digit 1. Pairing cannot be done in 1. So it is an odd number. The next number I said, the next number 2. It will become even number. So here I have written the table. So whichever the numbers you will get in 2 table, you can remember like this. Whichever numbers you will get in 2 table, those numbers. That ending number, last number, if you have that number, that complete number will become even number. Okay. Next to 2. So 2 is a even number. 2 after 3. So 3 is odd number. 3 after 4. 4 is even number. 4 after 5. 5 is odd number. 5 after 6. 6 is even number. 6 after 7. 7 is odd number. 7 after 8. 8 is even number. 8 after 9. 9 is odd number again. 9 after 10 you have. 10 means it is a 2-digit number. So just now I said, when you have many digits in your set of number, you have to check the last number. The number which is ending with 0 also will become an even number. Okay. So the numbers which are ending with this number. End means end means last. Yes. End means what? Last. So if your number is last with this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it becomes an odd number. If your number is last with end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, it becomes an even number. Suppose you see here example I am giving. Here you have 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 0. Yes. See this last number. See, you should not see all these numbers. You should not see. You should check the last number 0. See, 0 is even number or odd number? In which place you have? In even. So this complete set will become even number. Okay. See this same number 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 5. See, I have changed only the last digit as 5. See this 5 last number. Yes, it is odd number or even number? It is odd. So this complete set of number will become odd. Okay. This is about odd number and even number, children. Yes. So in your page number 91 you can see color the circles. So here they have given different set of numbers and they have circled them. Yes. So for that numbers you have to identify. See your first number you have to color with green color. Okay, so same like that you have to identify. This is your homework. You have to identify the numbers. Even numbers you have to color with the green color. Odd numbers you have to color with the blue color. So in page number 91, first bit you have to do as homework. Exercise number 2.9. 2.9, only one bit you have to, that one you have to do. After this we will do review time. Review time means what, children? Review time means it is like a revision. Whatever you have done in your complete chapter, here they will give you like a revision, like a small test they will give you. So here I am not going to explain many problems. Yes, so in review time maximum you only have to do, so little explanation I will do and one or two problems I will explain here, the other you have to do as homework. Okay, so review time completely actually you have to do, but little explanation I will do. See, review time, in the review time what is the first bit? Write the numbers indicated by the following. So here they have given the pictures, like 100 place they have given some picture like a square, and tens place like standing number in that you have tens, and ones they have given like single numbers, and B bit in that A bit they have given like that, and B bit only beats they have given, you have to count 10, right? Okay. So here in the 100 place, tens place, ones place you have to count 10, right? You can check in your term book. In 100 place how many squares they have given, you can count in your term book. Yes, they have given 6 squares. How many tens they have given? 3 tens, ones, 5 ones they have given. Okay, so B1 you can see, B1 only counting you have to do. So in the 100 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place. 100 place you have 7 beats, tens place you have 4 beats, and ones place you have 2 beats. Okay, so first bit I have done. Second bit you can see, children, here you have to write number names. Number names I have explained you already. Yes, so in the second bit they are asking you to write the number names. Yes, so in the number names, the first question they have given you as 458. So to write the number name here, first you have to write the places of the numbers. Yes, do you know what are the places of the numbers? Yes, already we have learned in our previous classes. So the places of the numbers are ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so this ones, tens, hundreds are very important for a number to write, whether it is a number name or numeral or expanded form or place of the number. These places will help you in many ways. Okay, so it is compulsory to write the places on the top of the number, children. Okay, so now we have to write the name of this number. Okay, so first how to write? So first you have to take the first digit. So what is the first digit? It is number 4. Yes, so write number 4 spelling F-O-U-R, and then you write in which place it is. It is there in the 100 place. Yes, so you have to write the spelling of 100 here. Yes, and the last two numbers you will take it as together. Yes, last two numbers together we will take. It is 5, 8. So it will become 58. Okay, it is 5, 8, 58. Okay, children. So this is 458. So the name of this number is 458. Okay, this is about your first one. Now we will move on to the second one. Yes. So second one they have given as 760. Now for this number you have to write the name. So first, before writing the name, you have to write the places on the top. It is compulsory to write, children. You also can write in your term book also. Okay. So first one we have finished. Now we will move on to the second one. See, ones, tens, hundreds, I have written the places. Yes. So first to write the first digit. What is the first digit here? It is number 7. So write 7. And in which place it is? It is in 100 place. So write 100. Yes. And the 60 will become 60 will become 60. Yes, 60 will become 60. So name of this number is 760. Okay, so second bit they are asking you to write a number name. So first question it is 458. So we have written the name of the number. Second one is 760. So we have written the name of the number. Okay, this is about your second bit. And in this bit you are having C, D, E. Okay, so the C, D, E will become your homework. Okay, here I am writing. Today's your homework will be in exercise number 2.9. You have to identify odd numbers and even numbers. And in review time also. In review time, I am giving you in the first bit we have completed both. So in the second bit, you have to do C, D, E as your homework. Okay. Now we will move on to the third bit. Okay. The last bit of today's class. It is third bit. Okay. What is the third bit? Third bit you have to write the numerals. Okay. Numerals in the sense they will give you the name of the number. You have to write the numbers. Okay. So what is the first question? Here they have given 400. Okay, 487. 87. Okay. So here also I will give you two problems. The other three you have to do. So first I will write completing the question. 909. So just now I said, yes, what I said, place values are very important for a number. So wherever, whatever you are writing, just now I said no, for number names, for numerals, for expanded form, standard form, writing the places of the number, value of the number, for everything places are important. So in this bit also they are asking you to write numerals, but before writing the numerals, first you have to write the places, ones, tens, hundreds. So little up, you give space for the number to write, and little up you write the places. Okay. So how I have written, you can see there. Yes. So I have written the places. So first we have to see the question now. So what is the first number? 4. 4 is there in which place? 4 is there in which place? 4 is there in 100 place. See, 400. So 400 means 4 is there in which place? It is there in 100 place. So in 100 place you have to write number 4. Okay. Next you see how we will write the next one. We will take two numbers together. Now we will see here what are the two numbers we have here. Here you have 87. 87. So how 87 will become, which digits you will get in that? 87. You will get 8. 7. Okay. Two numbers. Now see how many places you have here. Here we have two places. So we have two numbers here. So we will fill these two numbers with the places. 8, 7, 87. Yes. 487. 487. Yes. So we have completed with the first one. Yes. Now for the second one also. First you have to write the places, ones, tens, hundreds. You should leave finger gaps, children, for each and every number. Yes. Then see the question 900 means in 100 place what is the number you have here? 900. Which number? 9. So 9 means there in 100 place. So 9. Next we want two more digits. Let us check in the question. We have number 9. See here we don't have two numbers. We have only number 9. 9 means, so it is a single number 9 in the ones place. The single number 9 we have. So whichever number we have here, it is only 9. So 9 means you have to take in the last place. Okay. 9 means it is a single number 9. So if it is a single number, we will take in the last place. See the middle place. The middle place we have empty. Yes. So whichever place is empty, we will fill with the 0. Okay. We will fill that place with the 0. See. Now 909. So for 909 how many digits? What are the digits we get? 909. 909. Yes. I hope everybody you have understood this one. Yes. So after this also you have three more problems. C, D, E. Okay. So in this bit also you have C, D, E as your homework. So in review time you have in the second bit and third bit you have to do C, D, E as your homework. Okay children. I hope every one of you have understood these methods. Yes, and what is the homework given in today's class? Complete it in a correct way. Okay, I'll meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.